Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
Entrepreneur Robert R. Taylor bought nearly every available soap pump in the United States in 1979 to dominate the new liquid soap market. He was the founder of Minnetonka Corporation and had an innovative idea liquid hand soap in a convenient pump dispenser for homes. The challenge was that liquid soap itself wasn't patentable. Any of the large soap companies could easily replicate his product once it launched. So Taylor devised a clever plan. If he couldn't secure a patent for the soap, he would control the means of dispensing it. He approached the only two US manufacturers capable of producing the small plastic pumps required for soap bottles at scale. In a bold move, in 1979, Taylor invested approximately $12 million to purchase their entire annual production, around 100 million pumps. This strategic purchase effectively cornered the market for these essential pumps for at least a year. When his company, Minnetonka Corporation, launched soft soap in 1980, potential competitors found themselves unable to enter the market. They couldn't easily source the necessary pumps to package their own liquid soap products. As a result, soft soap quickly became a household name, capturing a significant share of the market without facing immediate competition. This tactic, sometimes referred to as the soft soap strategy or pump monopoly, provided Taylor with a crucial first-mover advantage. By 1987, the success of soft soap was undeniable, leading to its acquisition by Colgate-Palmolive for $61 million. Taylor's gamble on controlling the supply chain paid off, establishing liquid soap as a common fixture in households and significantly influencing consumer hygiene habits.
Thank you.